What's up, YouTube enthusiasts, and thank you to returning viewers. Owning a 20-year-old Honda sometimes feels like an uphill battle, especially if you drive the car regularly. In my opinion, 90s and early 2000 Hondas are the most unique generations in Honda's family tree. But with the age of the car brings random issues that need to be addressed. So, this week on Dragon Ball Z, the valiant Civic sprung a coolant leak. With almost 240,000 miles on the clock, she's been a very reliable car, but it seems like the overflow reservoir came loose and began rubbing against the AC pulley, which grinded a hole inside of it. As you can see here, I patched up the hole good enough to get by, but I'm not satisfied with the quick patch job. Also, the location of the reservoir, in my opinion, isn't very practical. So let's get the battery relocated to the back of the hatch and install a new universal reservoir in its place. Alright, got a Liege audio splicer, and we're going to be connecting these two power wires. Looks like there's two of them put together right here. Hopefully you can see that. But it's going to be going in these two ports right here, and then our main wire that we're sending to the back is coming out here. So we're going to hopefully have enough slack to mount this along the engine wall somewhere and send it all the way to the back. Alright, so I took a lot of these body panels off, got the seats out. It's a complete pain in the ass. Sorry. Oh man, I'm a little burned out right now. Got that little covering on the wire to at least go through the floorboard right here, or the side of the floorboard. That's the excess that's going to be going through the cabin and out. I got a huge mess here. There's I should have recorded it. There's a pile of peanuts somehow under the seats, but this is 20 years of dog hair, dirt, and the peanuts that I removed already. Alright, so next I'm looking for a spot to put my my ground cable at. I'm gonna try this out. There's like these buckles right here. Can't remember what they're for. It might be where the seat belt went to. I don't know. When I start putting it back together, I'll remember. But there's one right here. So I'm gonna try to use this area. Scuff it up. Got some 100 grit. Get this thing down to its metal. I'm going to try to put it here. Alrighty guys, so this is the next day, and this turned into a way bigger job than I thought it'd be. I got the terminal on the power side of this. It's ran behind the little plastic walls over here next to the shock. I have this this plastic cover on it to, you know, just for a little extra protection. I don't want anything wearing through that rubber and it making contact on anything. And that was like only like a 6-foot piece, so I ran out, and I have a smaller gauge covering, and it almost covers it. I'm gonna kind of do like another wrap of like some not duct tape, electric tape to to help hold this on so it doesn't go anywhere. And then what I did, figured I'd try to run it through the firewall where the engine harness goes through. So I have this little coat hanger that I push through, and I'll show it on the other side. I'm gonna tape that up, and then I'm gonna hopefully pull it through. I don't know, the hole seems a little tight. Let me zoom in. It's actually like it's a clothes hanger with a magnet. That's what I use to get my parts I drop. So hopefully I can pull it through there, and then I can put that rubber grommet back on, and then just run it through the back of the firewall, or however, just to get it up to this little splicer joint over here. So I'm gonna get on that now. Power, it sounds like.